Gardens are spaces of natural beauty, where we can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and immerse ourselves in the serenity of nature. Adding a water fountain can elevate this experience, creating a focal point that draws the eye and soothes the soul. Introducing a symphony of soothing sounds and captivating visuals, the gentle cascade of water creates a sense of peace and tranquility, transforming your garden into a tranquil retreat. Imagine relaxing to the tranquil sounds of trickling water, a haven of peace amidst the bustle of daily life. A garden fountain is more than just a decorative element, it's an invitation to unwind and reconnect with nature. The presence of water can have a calming effect on the mind and body. Whether you envision a cascading waterfall, a bubbling rock formation, or a sleek modern design, there's a fountain style to suit every garden aesthetic. With a little creativity and some DIY spirit, you can craft your own unique water feature that reflects your personal style and complements your garden's ambiance. This project is an opportunity to unleash your creativity and add a touch of personalized charm to your outdoor space. Imagine the joy of seeing your vision come to life, creating a sanctuary that is uniquely yours. A garden fountain not only enhances the visual appeal of your garden but also provides a soothing soundtrack to your outdoor experiences. It's a perfect blend of art and nature, offering a peaceful retreat right in your backyard. The benefits of having a garden water fountain extend beyond mere aesthetics. They can significantly enhance the overall ambiance of your outdoor space. The gentle sound of water cascading over rocks or splashing into a basin has a calming effect on the mind, creating a serene environment that can help you unwind after a long day. Reducing stress and promoting relaxation, the soothing sounds of water can make your garden a perfect spot for meditation, or simply enjoying a quiet moment. This auditory experience can transform your garden into a sanctuary for relaxation and meditation, providing a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Imagine enjoying your morning coffee by the gentle sound of your fountain, a perfect start to the day. The tranquil ambience can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Beyond relaxation, a water fountain can attract a variety of birds and beneficial insects to your garden, enhancing the biodiversity of your outdoor space. The presence of water attracts these creatures, adding life and vibrancy to your outdoor space. This can create a dynamic and ever-changing environment. Picture colorful birds taking a dip in your fountain, adding a touch of wilderness to your backyard. Their presence can bring joy and a sense of connection to nature. The sound of water serves as a natural humidifier, creating a more pleasant microclimate in your garden, especially during hot summer months. This can make your garden more comfortable and enjoyable. Before embarking on your fountain construction, gather the necessary tools and materials. This preparation step is crucial for ensuring a smooth and efficient building process. You'll need a sturdy shovel for digging the foundation, a reliable level for ensuring the fountain's base is perfectly even, and a tape measure for taking precise measurements to fit your design. Having these tools ready and organized will make the construction process smoother and more enjoyable, saving you time and effort. Key materials include a water pump, essential for circulating water, and tubing to direct the flow. You'll also need a reservoir, such as a large plastic tub to hold the water. And don't forget decorative elements like rocks, stones, or ceramic pots to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your fountain. Select a pump with an appropriate flow rate for your desired fountain size to ensure optimal performance. Consider incorporating natural elements like river rocks or decorative stones to enhance the fountain's visual appeal and create a more natural look. A visit to your local garden center can provide inspiration and all the necessary materials, ensuring you have everything you need to bring your fountain project to life. Section 4. From Vision to Reality, a step-by-step guide to construction. Start by choosing the perfect spot for your fountain. Select a level area that's easily accessible for maintenance and close to an electrical outlet for the pump. Consider the fountain's visibility from various points in your garden to maximize its visual impact. Dig a hole large enough to accommodate your chosen reservoir, ensuring it's level to prevent water from overflowing unevenly. Place the reservoir in the hole and connect the pump, following the manufacturer's instructions. Use flexible tubing to connect the pump to the fountain's outlet, which could be a spout, a cascade, or any other decorative element. Section 5. Safety First. Precautions for water and electrical elements. When working with water and electricity, safety is paramount. Always ensure the pump is plugged into a GFCI outlet to prevent electrical shocks. Avoid handling electrical components with wet hands. These precautions will ensure your safety throughout the project. Regularly inspect the pump and tubing for any damage or leaks. Clean the fountain periodically to prevent algae buildup and ensure optimal water flow. By following these simple maintenance steps, you can enjoy your beautiful and serene garden fountain for years to come.